Porto is a city known for its azulejo, ceramic tiles that decorate churches, train stations, homes, and even hidden corners of the city. But these tiles aren't just beautiful, they tell stories. Stories of saints and kings, of everyday life and faraway lands, even lions, ostriches, and dragons. Join me on this walking tour as we uncover 10 stunning Azulejo locations across Porto and the hidden stories they reveal. We begin our tour at the Chapel of Souls, right next to the Balsemão metro station. The chapel dates back to the 18th century, but its famous tiles were added in 1929. This masterpiece of Portuguese Azulejo art was created by Jorge Colasso, one of the most renowned tile artists of the time. It depicts dramatic scenes from the lives of St. Catherine of Alexandria and St. Francis of Assisi. While there are beautiful tile panels inside, it's the towering blue and white facade that truly steals the show. A short walk along Rua de Santa Catarina brings us to Batalha Square and the Church of Santo Ildefonso. Built in the 18th century, its azulejo tiles were added in 1932, again designed by Jorge Colasso. The panels depict key moments from the life of Saint Ildefonso, the church's patron saint. We continue across the square and down a series of cobbled lanes, passing by the Church of the Order of the Rosary and several charming tile-covered buildings. The Porto Cathedral is a must-see for Azulejo lovers. While only a few panels are visible outside, a €3 entry fee gives access to an incredible collection inside. In addition to the tiled areas, the cathedral and its small chapels are lovely. In the ground floor cloisters, panels added in the early 1700s depict scenes from the biblical Song of Songs. But upstairs is where the surprises begin. On the upper level, you'll find secular scenes by tile artist Antonio Vidal. Serene countryside views, men fishing and hunting wild animals like deer, rabbits, and pigs. And then it gets even wilder. On the upper terrace, two massive tile panels depict hunts for an ostrich, a lion, and even a dragon. These scenes reflect Portugal's global encounters during the Age of Discoveries, a time when the unfamiliar became legend. Before leaving, climb up to the tower to enjoy 360-degree views over Porto. A short walk downhill takes us to the São Bento railway station, opened in 1903. The entrance hall is truly iconic, covered with 20,000 tiles across 551 square meters in yet another masterwork by Jorge Colasso. The panels depict moments in Portuguese history, from royal battles to rustic village life. You'll see grapes being harvested, hay being cut, and lively festivals. One wall features an epic battle scene, though currently part of it is hidden by restoration work. And while most of the tiles are traditional blue and white, a colourful frieze wraps around the upper walls, adding even more vibrancy. As we head toward our next stop, we pass through Rua das Flores and climb past the iconic Clerigos Tower, with more azulejos covered facades revealing themselves along the way. The 18th century Carmo Church is famous for its immense tiled sidewall. Unfortunately, the tiles are currently covered by a semi-translucent protective sheet, but even partially obscured, the beauty of this Baroque masterpiece shines through. In the 16th century, under King Manuel I, Azulejo became a symbol of status among Portuguese nobility. This 18th century palace offers a glimpse into that era, with elegant interior tiles that reflect taste, wealth, and tradition. Housed in the same building, the Banco de Materiais preserves architectural elements rescued from demolished or renovated buildings across the city. Inside, you'll find a dazzling variety of tiles, proving azulejos are not just blue and white. From geometric patterns to floral designs and vibrant colours, this collection highlights the full spectrum of tile artistry. The space also showcases antique stucco work and vintage street signs, making it a must-visit for heritage lovers. This next site is a real visual departure. Built in 1908, the Arab building is a neo-Moorish tile showcase, originally used as a warehouse and showroom for Devesas Ceramics, one of Portugal's most important tile producers. Today it serves as a co-working space, but its distinctive style and colourful tilework still make it a unique stop on this tour. The surrounding area is full of colourful tile surprises, a visual feast before we arrive at our final two churches. The Methodist Church of Morant looks like something from a storybook, with a cheerful colour tile facade that dates to the 1930s. The tiles include national symbols and Bible verses expressing both faith and Portuguese identity. While our walking tour wraps up in the city's centre, there's one more bonus stop for those willing to venture a bit farther. The Church of Carvalhido is about a kilometre from Carolina Michaelis metro station, or a quick ride by Uber. This twin-towered beauty was built in 1886, and its tile panels were added in the 20th century. The exterior is lovely, but it's the interior that's truly special, with richly detailed Azulejo murals illustrating the lives of saints and miracle stories. A quiet, moving way to end the journey. If you'd like to follow this route yourself, I've recorded the full walking tour using the Wikiloc app. You'll find a link to the track in the description. These tiles may be fixed to the walls of Porto, but they continue to move people today, with their stories, artistry, and timeless beauty. Thanks for walking with me through the tiled heart of the city. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favourite tile moment in the comments below.